Hey guys, hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the entry-level jobs in Luxembourg, which you can get easily, along with the companies that are currently hiring overseas candidates for those jobs and the websites that you can get these jobs from as well. There's no age limit. There is no requirement for Luxembourgish language. There is no requirement for German language. There is no requirement for French language. There is no requirement for English language. There's no high qualifications needed, and you can get your visa in just 7 days. You can earn at least 3,000 or 4,000 euro per month, and your spouse can accompany you and they'll be given a work visa as well. Luxembourg is currently maintaining a high visa approval rate, 94%, and the job competition is much lesser than other European countries. Most of the jobs I'll be telling about will offer free travel and accommodation, so you can save a lot of what you will be earning. The taxes you will be paying are also low, and there's a high standard of living as you would expect for any developed European country. You'll also be allowed to travel visa-free between 27 Schengen countries. Just directly start with the benefits of moving to Luxembourg. The first benefit is money. Luxembourg is the world's richest country by per capita GDP, and the average starting salary you can earn in Luxembourg for entry-level jobs is around 3,000 to 4,000 euro per month. Higher skilled jobs pay a salary figure of between 4,000 to 5,000 euro. Luxembourg is often referred to as a tax haven, and the tax rates are much lower than other European countries. These jobs in Luxembourg are available for international applicants with visa sponsorships. Healthcare, child nanny, housekeeper, secretary, restaurant staff, kitchen staff, accountant, system analyst, IT experts, legal consulting, marketing managers, cashier, sales and retail assistant, waitress, warehouse workers, farmers, delivery drivers, cleaners, construction laborers, construction workers like welders, tilers, bricklayers, painter, plumbers. You can earn between 3,500 to 8,000 euros monthly while working in Luxembourg as an international applicant. Check out job search website https://visajobinfo.blogspot.com/link in description. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.